Gold is making headlines again, and after touching the record highs recently, prices have cooled off a little bit. But the big question that everyone is asking is now the right time to buy gold, or should you wait? So let's break this down. Over the past couple of months, gold has rallied sharply, not just in India but also globally. In India, it crossed the 1 lakh rupees per 10 grams mark and is currently maintaining the 95,000 rupee levels. So why is gold surging? There are three big reasons. Number one is geopolitical tensions. With wars, global conflicts, and uncertainty, investors are moving towards safe haven assets, and nothing says safe like gold. Number two is central banks are buying. So now countries like Russia and China have been aggressively increasing their gold reserves, pushing up the demand and the prices. And number three are the expectations of rate cut from the US. So when interest rates fall, gold becomes more attractive compared to bonds or saving instruments, leading to a price rally. So should you be investing in gold right now? Experts suggest that it's all about investors' gold. So gold is doing what it is meant to do, protecting investors from inflation and falling currency value. Now, gold prices are rising because of global uncertainty, changing interest rates, and geopolitical tensions. And all of these factors look like they are here to stay. So it is possible that gold prices could again touch that 1 lakh per 10 grams mark and maybe even go beyond. So experts also say that while many investors are tempted to sell gold because it is at all-time high levels, it would be better to not. Unless there is an urgent financial need, holding onto your gold could be the wiser choice. Because the global trends like sticky inflation to geopolitical risk still forecast a higher price for gold in near future. So are you buying or selling gold? Tell us in the comment section.